again to Androidia channel. In today's video we will talk about how to hide a chat, a private chat, a secret chat from your WhatsApp chats so no one can notice it, and you can hide it by a code while you search for that while you search for that code you can just check it out. Rather than that, no one can see that chat. So for example, this one is my private chat. Okay, so I just went there and I want to lock this chat by doing this. So it asks me to keep this chat locked and hidden. You have to continue and then scan your fingerprint. Now this chat is locked. Now if I go there, so I can see the chat, the locked chats. So I want to go there, and this chat is locked. And how to hide the locked chat? All the folder of the locked chat, this one I want to hide it. How to do that? I'm sorry. Now how to do that? You just go to locked chat again, and then here you can see a message locked on linked devices. So create a secret code. I want to create a secret code, for example, Androidia. This is my secret code. Next, secret code can't have a space, so without space, let's try it. A secret code lets find you locked chats, and a secret code lets you find locked chats in the search bar and open them on some linked devices. How to find that locked chat? By adding your Androidia. I'm going to save it, copy. So just save this code. So without this code you can't find your locked chat. Then done. Secret codes don't match. Try again. I'm going to delete the space. And now if you want to disappear this folder of locked chat, just follow this step. Log into locked chat, this chat, then the three dots. You can you see locked chat, then the three dots, like this. Lock chat, lock settings, and now hide locked chat. Use my secret code. Change secret code. Use my secret code. Your secret code is this. Done. And now let's see. The locked chat has been disappeared. And now how can we find the hidden chat? Go to search, and here type Androidia. Type Androidia, and your locked chat is there. And if you want to just stop this heading or stop it from working, just go here and hide the locked chat. Just do like this, and you can go here and again go to chat log and do like I'm doing, and everything is done. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.